Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, with 5 items to make gardening a little bit easier. First, we're going to start with a seeding square. Now, a seeding square is designed to help you space out the seeds in your garden. This is a terrific way to have a more organized garden. It's great to use with the kids to actually place the seeds exactly where you want it. You put this over the dirt and then you add the seeds in this little tool right here and you deposit them, whether it's cucumbers, tomatoes. You can go by color coordination to put it there, and it's a lot of fun to help you grow your garden more efficiently and, well, more organized. Now, feeding your garden is important as well. I think there's a lot of confusion a lot of times of how to do it exactly. Miracle-Gro created these watering can singles. You know how you can buy the lemonade to mix into your water bottle? Well, I don't want you to mix this into your water bottle, but these singles go into a watering can. You just tear it open, fill this with water, and you get the proper amount of fertilizer every time to fertilize your flowers, your garden, you name it. The Scott's Singles. Oh, by the way, this seeding square item is an item you'll find at the Grommet.com if you're looking to locate that. Now, digging tulip bulbs is one of my favorites. There's a tulip bulb planter that you can buy and use and turn by hand, which I use all the time. This is an attachment for your drill. And this too is a grommet item that you use to go ahead and dig those bulb holes. You place it over the area that you want. You see it's got a nice extension here. And with your drill, you go ahead and push, and it'll drill that hole to allow you to then plant your bulbs down deep inside the hole. It works great and comes in different sizes as well. It's a really quite useful tool. Now, getting back to the feeding and planting, let's say you want to do more than just an individual watering can. Miracle-Gro also developed this universal feeder that actually feeds your hose. Now take a look at this. This item gets attached to the spigot on the outside of your home. And then this liquid feeder bottle right here actually goes on the top of this unit, and it gets put on there, and then your garden hose actually does all the feeding. So if you have large areas where you need to spray it down and put fertilizer there, this is a terrific way to do that. And it also allows you to either use just water, and then when you want to do your feeding, you turn this little knob right here, and then it allows the fertilizer to come through your hose. It's really quite a neat innovation. And then finally, when it comes to planting, especially new plants, you want to make sure that they're properly watered and not overwatered. This is called a Groyoya. Groyoya. How's that? I like that. Take a look what you do with this. It's essentially a clay pot, and you're going to dig this down between what you're going to plant, and you leave that spout up just above the soil right here. And the idea behind this with the ceramic is you'll fill this with water, and it will slowly wick out the moisture. This is very common for indoor plants. Some of you may be familiar with this, but this one, also an item available at the Grommet, is one you can use different sizes outside to keep the plantings moist and make sure that they have enough moisture to grow healthy. Really a useful, neat item. If you have comments or questions, just leave them at the bottom of this video. Remember, Ace is the helpful place.